Stop writing code that crashes in production. Today, we are architecting the memory matrix. Specifically, we are going to master variables and data types. We'll look at the naming trap, the 4 core data types, and how to use the type checker. By the end of this video, you won't just type code, you will understand how the computer actually stores your information. But first, look at the left side of your screen. This is the naming trap. A equals 25. What is A? Is it apples, age, amount? Lazy variable names make your code impossible to debug. Look at the right side. User underscore age equals 25. Be explicit. Name your variables like a professional. Step 1. Variables are just containers. Look at the code. Player health equals 100. A variable is simply a named box in the computer's memory. You put the number 100 inside the box and slap a label on it called player health. Now, whenever you need that number, you just call the label. Step 2. Text data, known as strings. Look at the code. Username equals dev_0. Strings hold text. The golden rule, they must always be wrapped inside quotation marks. If you forget the quotes, Python thinks dev_0 is a command, panics, and throws an error. Step 3 covers numeric data, integers and floats. Level equals 5 is an integer. It's a whole number used for counting. Price equals 19.99 is a float. Floats contain decimals, and are used when you need mathematical precision, like calculating currency or percentages. Step 4 is the Boolean. This is the ultimate logic switch. Is logged in equals true. Booleans only have 2 states, true or false. They don't need quotes. They are the DNA of computer logic, acting as the traffic lights that tell your program whether to proceed or stop. Step 5 is the inspector. Sometimes you don't know what's inside the box. If you run print type price, Python will scan the variable and return class float. Use the type function whenever you're debugging to verify exactly what kind of data you're working with. Here's your system recap. 1. Variables store your data in memory. 2. Strings handle text, while integers and floats handle math. 3. Booleans control the underlying logic of your application. Before you write another script, here's your checklist. First, stop using X as a variable name. Second, always remember to wrap your text in quotes. And third, use the type function to verify your data when things break. Now you know the data types, but what happens when you need to do math on a string? You get an error. You need to learn typecasting to transform text into numbers. For more info and to get today's tools, read our docs and grab the checklist in the description below. See if this next video is best for you, YouTube suggested.